My name is Bonnie Rodriguez, and I absolutely despise cleaning my floors. As a working mom, it's really hard to find time to keep up with all of the housework. I hate for my weekends to be spent cleaning. It takes me 45 minutes to an hour just to clean the floor, so that means that I have to get out a mop and dust the whole floor. I have to sweep it up, and then I have to use another one to clean the floor. And then I have to spot clean and get down on my hands and knees and scrub the spots that don't come off. I have a bad back, so it really is torture for me to clean the floor. These are my tools of torture. I would be absolutely thrilled with anything that saves me time. I am always looking to simplify my life. Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate. I'm in love with the scrubber. To me, that's the hardest part, that I don't have to get down on my knees and scrape a stubborn stain. I can just use the scrubber from here without bending over. And it's very easy to push. It glides. I love that you can wash it and that you can reuse it. That's key for me. To just have one tool that I can dust and mop and scrub with, it's life-changing.